Good morning, beautiful people. So thank you guys so much for tuning in to the vlog. This is vlog starting my third week of graduate school. I don't have class until 12 today, but I decided that I would get up and go to the school a little early today. I actually got up and went to the gym with my roomie, and I'm just sitting here having some breakfast before I leave. Just some eggs and peppers and onions and all that good stuff. But you guys, I'm making it through. There's a lot of reading. There are a few assignments coming up, and the stress level is kind of high, but to know that everybody else in my cohort is, having the same stress as me is like really getting me through. So, if you guys want to see what my week is like, continue to watch. Bye. Good morning, beautiful people. So welcome to Tuesday. I didn't vlog a lot yesterday, but I showed you that I got my name badge yesterday, or I don't know, I'll probably put that clip in here. I'm on my way to the clinic. I don't have anybody to see today. I haven't started seeing my clients yet, but I do have a lot of reading and like preparation for projects and therapy that I need to get ready for. So come on. Guys, I want you to see this tree. I don't know why, but I'm so in love with these trees. There was a lot of them in Gainesville, and they have them all over Tallahassee. I think they're called the hanging moss trees. But yeah, they're so cute. That moment when you're stuck at school and it's, what time is it?
Like 8.
It's 8 p.m. I was here since like 9:30, 10 o'clock this morning. But you got so much work to do, so we got to stay. Good morning, beautiful people. Today is a Wednesday, and I am on my way to the clinic hella early. Well, it's not really early, but it's like 8:30. I just wanted to get on the camera real quick and tell you guys that, yo, this grad school thing is no joke. Sorry, I don't really know where to look at when I'm filming on my phone. But yeah, I'm about to get ready and go there. I just wanted to show you guys a quick outfit of the day. I got on some olive green leggings, not leggings, but pants, and my black shirt. What do I have to do today? I have a meeting for my audiology group and a meeting with one of my professors to talk about, well, she's my supervisor too, but to talk about my therapy sessions that are supposed to start next week. So that should be interesting. I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to make up my bed. Don't mind me. So yeah, I'm going to get some breakfast and head out. You guys, I just got some baklava from Whole Foods, and I just couldn't wait till I got home to eat it. So here I go. Gonna try this out. By the way, Whole Foods baklava is mad expensive, and it's oily too. For like a pound is like $12.99. So I just got, 2 little pieces just to try it, to see what it was like. So trying to like break it in half so I could try it. Here we go. This is the walnut one. I've had homemade baklava and it tastes way better than this. But it'll do. It'll do. Look, guys, I made some Zoodles. Forgot to show you what I did, though. I just put them in the spiralizer and let it whirl. And then I came up with these Zoodles. So I think I'm going to do like a pesto Alfredo, maybe. And top it with some salmon, however you call it. So right now I'm just pan searing the salmon. I have some classico 4-cheese, and then I got this basil pesto, and then I'm also trying this sort of sweet blueberry one. I was looking for a particular one at Whole Foods that they didn't have, so yeah. And then I'm using this vegan butter. It's vegan. I don't like hot wine, so I did put a couple ice cubes inside my cup, so yeah. Alright, you guys, so right now I have the pesto and the Alfredo sauce along with the seasoning from the fish and some garlic that I put in there, that I chopped up and put in there. And now I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. It looks kind of crazy right now, but I'm sure it's going to taste good. A little more. Y'all, I know this is not a cooking show, but I just wanted to taste this stuff for you guys. Here we go. The Zoodles made with pesto and 4-cheese Alfredo and some roasted garlic that I made. So let's see. I'm asleep. Wow. Y'all been sleeping on the Zoodles, I'm telling you. Sleep.